How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. Hunter here at PPM Racing Products, and today we're going to be talking about our power steering line kits. To start off with, we're going to talk about the high pressure hose that comes in these kits. It is braided -6 hose. It's rated for high pressure. In these kits, depending on if you get a front mount kit or a rear mount kit, it'll come with various size lines in the length, and with that we overdo it just a little bit so you can cut it to your desired length. We make these to where it's basically universal. With that, we go into the return hose. It's 2.5 feet of -10. And along with these kits, depending on if you go with the front mount or the rear mount kit, regardless, you'll get 4 of these -6 high pressure line fittings. They're swivel and they're the 2-piece style. You unscrew it, press it in, press the other part on, and screw it on to make it a nice tight fit. And then of course we have the -10 push lock fittings to go onto the bottom of your tank and on the back of your power steering pump. Now with these kits, they retail for about $124.99. They do not come with a tank, but don't worry, we have you covered. We do offer other tanks. To start off with is just a basic power steering tank. It's a canister style. It's got a -6 AN pressure fitting and then a -10 fitting on the bottom for the feet. Along with that, we have our deluxe tank. This thing is amazing. It is baffled, it's aluminum, and for niceness, it has an O-ring top cap to make sure that it keeps sealed properly. Have some issues on some other tanks to where they're not sealed tight properly on the top, and when they wash the cars, the water's getting in the tanks. Because some of the other ones, the gasket gets bad, it gets wore out, and it just lets water in. So we can't have that, and the O-ring stops that. So with this basic tank, it is $45.99. We have plenty of them in stock, and then our deluxe tank is just $72. So to order all of this, go to ppmracingproducts.com, or if you want to order it over the phone and get tech help on what all you would need for your kits, give us a call at 865-354-9669. Thank you for watching.